Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to highlight a color in Photoshop for three way. Okay. I first apply one way. See this dot tool. Click here and select highlights. Expose 50. I use 50%. Okay. Then click and highlight any color. Another way to highlight color. Number two, quick selections. Whose iterations. Okay. And last way, number three, click the layer, selective color, see this color, orange. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.